Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. So, new video about crypto. We're going to analyze all of this. So let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is retracing its drop within an hour, so that's pretty aggressive. This move has become aggressive, so there are several possible scenarios for this. We could see a correction like this before it simply continues any further. To the downside, since right here it would essentially be an A, a B, and a C. Otherwise, what's the other scenario? That's possible too. Here, in this particular case, it just gives us an aggressive B and then goes straight down to break the low. That means we would have a move like this. The B forms here and then it goes directly to C without forming any sort of range or consolidation in this area there. So actually, I'm being very careful with Bitcoin because potentially we risk experiencing another significant drop in price in order to achieve a complete three-wave move in the market. So Ethereum, as we know, is also showing some interesting patterns at the moment. So I was expecting it to break the low here. Not at all. So I was expecting it to break the low before going up, actually. But instead, it went up directly. It broke its previous top. That's why I had this line here. So now, what am I waiting for on Ethereum? So for Ethereum, either it's a retracement, so this move, and it comes back up right away. If I see it lingering in this zone and consolidating here like this, it will be a continuation to directly break the top, so we'll do an update for Ethereum as well in the coming days. Next we have NEAR. I'm still in the buy. I took a buy here, as I mentioned in my previous videos. So now NEAR, I think it's going to directly break the top, the $3 mark, very soon, possibly sooner than expected. We don't really see any loss of momentum. What it's giving us here is a corrective structure like this. This is more indicative of a continuation. This bullish continuation would really only be confirmed if it suddenly drops in price, which would be quite unexpected. All right, next, we're going to take a look at AVAX together. I was expecting it to come down with a drop. Here, it broke the top here and went even higher. So now I'm expecting a small retracement, since this is still a continuation for the bulls. So feel free to leave a comment if you want me to analyze a particular crypto. Thanks for the likes and subscribe. All right, bye.